Henan Optima Industrial Measurement and Control Co. Ltd.
Located
in Fangqiu County, Henan Province, is a professional manufacturer,
the
world's most advanced weighing apparatus, international
Products
enterprise,
cover
industrial weighing, process weighing, commercial weighing and testing equipment, and many other fields, including truck scale, sensors, and car washes. Environmental protection equipment is the
widely
main
used in
production,
mines,
port, petrochemical industry, food and drug safety, logistics, coal, and other industries. Optima Industrial Base covers an area of 100 米 industrial introduction of a full set of intelligent automatic welding, automatic painting equipment, independent research and development of secondary, and a comprehensive pipe technology, research and development, production, diversified high-tech domestic enterprise, and foreign trade, integrity and innovation shared. REN is the common pursuit of all Optima people. As a member unit of China Weighing Apparatus Association, always remember the original intention. There are more than 100 independent research and development registered trademarks. In 2019, it was recognized as a national science and technology enterprise. It was recognized as a national science and technology currently formed with Henan as the center. All over the country and in the United States, Australia, Europe, global sales network in Asia and Africa. Seek development in competition. Seek opportunities in development. Continue to strengthen the comprehensive strength of the enterprise itself and external competitiveness. Sophisticated equipment, reliable products earn a wide reputation. Splicing of the support table. Adopt advanced double-wire skew welding technology. Have a large body, small deformation, reliable welding quality, etc. High temperature using cold iron arc. Instantly cut high-strength steel. High precision and high efficiency, hydraulic mercury-based pre-deformation of automated forming structures, reduced distortion that affects the measurement accuracy of the car, improve work efficiency, advanced automatic welding operation process, have a large body, high stability, beautifully formed. The company's self-developed welding connection and reversal platform has changed the traditional welding unique flat welding technology. Greatly improve product welding quality. Fully automatic shot blasting machine truly realizes automatic all-round grinding of the scale body. Enhance paint adhesion. Solve the problem of incomplete manual grinding. Catalytic combustion spray booth. Able to meet the environmental protection requirements. The biggest feature is catalytic combustion. Remove harmful substances. It is the most advanced environmental protection technology. It is a confidential technology independently developed by the company. High precision with extremely high safety. Reliable and maintainable. Welding film collection equipment, efficient and rigorous collection, ensure that workers produce in high-quality conditions, discharged by the dust collector. High-strength steel ultra-low scale is the company's latest research scale and body table 200到270小时 IGH, made of super-strength steel. The yield strength of the material is greater than 800 MPa. Low scale height. Weighing is more stable. Save foundation construction costs. Unattended automatic truck scale. From car admission to weighing to paying. Unattended throughout. Remote monitoring possible. Greatly saves weighing time. Convenient. High-end gantry car washing machine. High-end dust removal equipment specially developed for engineering vehicles. Automatic induction unmanned operating all-in-one for tires. Chassis body for strong straight. Buffer air dry. Also has winter anti-freeze heating function. Excellent product for a long time. Satisfactory service. Has won wide acclaim from users at home and abroad. Self-improvement. Innovation. It is the common pursuit of all our Optima employees. Continue. Do not forget the original intention. We will continue. Keep moving forward on the road of weighing instrument manufacturing. Win-win cooperation with everyone. Create a better future.